A fluid is a material with the ability to flow and change shape. There are two states of matter that we consider to be fluids, gases and liquids. Let's compare several properties of gases and liquids. In gases, particles are spaced very far apart. In liquids, the particles are spaced very close together. We can demonstrate that with this little picture. Liquid particles very close together, almost as close together as particles in the solid state, and they can move relative to each other. Gases, the particles are very far apart. The forces between the gas particles are fairly small, and those gas particles tend to move in straight lines until they bump elastically into other particles or the sides of the container, and then they bounce off and travel in straight lines until they bump into other things. Gases, of course, do not have a fixed shape. They take the shape of their containers. They don't have a fixed volume. They will take up as much space as you allow them to take. And they are very compressible because their particles are spaced so far apart. Liquids don't have a fixed shape either. They will conform to the shape of their container, at least to the shape of the bottom of their container, if they don't fill the entire container. And that's because they do have a fixed volume. And liquids, generally speaking, are not compressible. Essentially, the particles are as close together as they really can be. So if you squish on a liquid, it doesn't tend to change its volume.